in this class we are going to learn how to write on slideshow, okay, on your slides while you are on slideshow. So we're going to take these the slides that we've created as an example. So we just quickly we can just quickly start the slideshow. Let's say we start from beginning by coming over here. We can just click on it to start the slideshow. Now once we are on the slideshow, we can keep clicking our mouse to have our elements come into the display. Now to write on a particular slide while you are on slide mode, all you need is to right click on the slide and you can say mouse pointer as pen. You can use mouse pointer as pen over here. Once you click on this, it enables your mouse pointer to start acting as a pen right now. So you can circle anything that you're interested in, or demonstratively you can be able to highlight things, or just for demonstration you can be sending things. Okay, so you can be as specific as you want, and you can change the properties of this highlighter or writing pen by right clicking. You can change the pen width to be normal or thick. If you want to make it thick, you can make it thick with just this click, or if you want to make it thinner, you can make it very thin. Okay, so very thin, something like this, I think. All right, so you can change the color as well, change the pen color by just clicking, and you can move around to change the color of the pen. So let's go to something like red. Okay, something reddish. All right, so let's say something like this, and once you say okay to this, you can be able to kind of utilize it over here, or change the width to make it normal or thin, and then you can work on this directly. Okay, so you're just free to go ahead and explore and write anything. Additionally, you can erase all the lines or all the inks on the slide. You can erase all the inks on the slide with just this click. You can just select this and all the inks are gone. And if you want to end the slideshow or end the show, you can just click here and just say end show, and you're back to your normal slide. Okay, so this concludes this class about writing on your slides within LibreOffice presentation. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.